So, been asked to add a new key to this Mark 7 Transit. My new number plates to cover up the owner's own number plates. Fantastic, supplied by Wrexham Motoring Supplies. Best in Wrexham for any motoring needs. Fantastic guys and girls. So, and there's the new remote. So, as you can see, all working. And starts and stops. So the Ford Mark 7 with a genuine key, and I will show you this van actually had 4 keys programmed into it when I got to it. So there's currently only 1 key available for this van, even though there's 4 programmed into it that would be able to start it. So I've deleted all the keys and just added the 2. So the gentleman's original one, that's seen better days, and obviously the new key. Thanks for watching.